In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple filters in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow your records to just what you need, using clear conditions and flexible logic that work across different fields and views. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table you want to work with. Make sure you're looking at the view you plan to filter, such as a grid, gallery, or Kanban view. Filters are set per view, so the changes you make will only affect what you see in that view. Now, look for the filter option in the toolbar at the top of your view. Click it to open the filter panel. This is where you'll define the rules that determine which records show up. Create your first filter condition. Choose the field you want to filter on. Pick the condition type, and then set the value. For example, you might choose a status field with a condition like is and a value such as active. If you're filtering text, options like contains or does not contain can help you zero in on partial matches. For dates, you'll see options like is on, is before, or is within, which are great for time-based reporting. For checkboxes or yes/no fields, a simple is checked or is unchecked can cleanly split your dataset. To layer in more precision, click Add Condition to create another filter. For each additional condition, again select the field, the condition, and the value. Think of these like building blocks. Each one further shapes the list of records you see. Next, choose whether your conditions use and or logic, if that option is available in your view. And means all conditions must be true for a record to appear, which narrows your results. Or means any one of the conditions can be true, which broadens your results. For example, status is active, and priority is high gives you a tight list, while status is active, or priority is high will include more records. Apply the filters. In many cases, Airtable applies changes instantly as you add or adjust conditions. If you see an Apply button, click it to confirm your setup. Review the filtered records in your view. Scan the results to confirm they match your intent. If something looks off, adjust a condition, tweak a value, or change the and or logic. You can edit or remove filters anytime. Open the filter panel to modify conditions, toggle them off, or delete them entirely. Your view will update right away, keeping your workspace focused and efficient.